Welcome to another episode of Teen Center Explains It All, and we're going to try today to make our own beat on GarageBand on our phone. All you're going to need is your phone and GarageBand, and I think we're going to make an R&B beat today. Kind of a slow but happy beat. So I'm going to start with the drums. I like to use this one. I don't know if you noticed it. It's the hip hop drum machine. And I use the smart drums to start off with, just to get a basic idea of what I'm going to do. Now, the first thing you need to make certain of is go to the song settings. Now, an R&B song tends to be slower, usually about 90 beats per minute. So I'm going to slow it down and make it chill. Let's see. Our that's got a nice little happy little downbeat too. All right. Syncopated. Hey, that's nice. All right, let's go ahead and record that. Nice, we got drums. I'm going to delete these guys because I don't like them. Wait, go back. First things first. Here's how we delete it. We go to our settings, and then we hold down on it. Double tap. Yeah, there we go. Double tap. Delete. Double tap. Come on, Kyle. Get out of here. Well, let's actually, hold on. Let's listen back. Yeah, you know what? I kind of like it. So we're going to leave it. I'm going to add a new instrument. And then I usually like to start with keyboard. And I like to go to the smart key piano just because it makes it a lot easier. Let me show you why it makes things easier. Do you notice where it says E minor, A minor, D minor, G, C, F, B, flat, and B diminished? These are all in the key of C. So let's decide what key our song is going to be in. Key signature. See? C major. That means all the white keys on the piano. And that's cool and all, but I'm feeling jazzy. So I'm going to switch mine to E flat major because it tends to make songs sound a little jazzier. So let's listen. And E flat is the beginning of our key. So if we count it in order, it would go E, F, G is our 3. Where is it? A is our 4. B is our 5. So let's make this a nice little happy one. We're going to go with a 1, 4, 5. That's happy, right? All right, we're going to record that. I like it already. So in order to record it, we reset the clock. We should turn on the metronome. That gives us a 4 count so that we can do this on beat. And we'll give it a try, see if it works. Now, did you notice some of them are a little off beat? How do we fix that? Let me show you how. So, we will go back to our other view. We'll, sorry, we can do it right here on the track controls. In our track settings, we'll see something called quantization. That means to fix the time of it. I want it to be a straight rhythm. I want it to be quarter notes. Let's see how that sounds. Quarter notes is too small. I need eighth notes. Nice. Cool. You know what? This needs a little bit more reverb. Turn down the treble a bit. Turn up the compressor. What that does is it makes the loud sounds quieter, and it makes the quiet sounds louder. So everything's a little bit more even. In fact, let's turn it up some more. Turn down that reverb. That's much better. All right, we're going to turn off the metronome because that's annoying. And then let's start thinking about a bass line. I'm going to press stop. Let's talk about a bass line. This is also going to be a lot easier. We can do this the easy way too. We'll do this with the Smart Bass. All right, so the purpose of the bass is to connect the melody to the drums. So each one of these bass notes needs to be played one at a time. Let's listen how our track goes so we can come up with a feel for it. Okay, here we go. Hey, I like that. Except for I noticed that I played a few wrong notes. So I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, let's try again. Good. So you notice when the drum hits, boom, boom, the bass hits. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so we're gonna, I noticed that I hit some of them off beat as well. So we're just gonna go right ahead and hit the track settings. We're gonna quantize it to a straight 16th notes. Yeah, that is better. I also don't particularly like the sound of that bass. Let's try this one. Oh, that's much better. Let's turn up the bass a bit. Nice. I'm going to press stop. And then now let's think about, what other instrument should we use? Maybe a guitar. All right. Switch the tracks. All right. Close down the master settings. Add a new instrument. And try the smart guitar also, so we can make this as easy as possible. So we can either play it one note at a time as a strum, but I think if we hit the top one, I think let's listen to it with the beat. And also, I'm not sure that this acoustic guitar is the way to go, but we'll figure that out. Hold on, press play. Yeah, it's the syncopation. We're gonna do it. All right, got it. Here we go. Did you notice that I placed this melody, this rhythm of the melody, I guess the harmony part, along the opposites where the piano is playing. So I'm going to play wherever the piano isn't. Take a listen and see if you notice. I messed up. Start it over. Cool. I'm going to quantize it. Hit it with a straight rhythm on eighth notes. Much cleaner. Go back in the track settings. I don't particularly like how trebly it is. How high the noise is. It's supposed to be deeper. So I'm going to turn up the bass, turn down the treble. And close the track settings. Go back to the... Okay, so that's our song. I don't think it needs anything else. We could if we want to, but right now it's pretty good. 5 tracks. Let's hear how it sounds. Okay. Okay, I like it. Here's what it needs, is arrangement. So we're going to, instead of having just 8 bars, we're going to have it go to 32 bars. Good. Now, we don't need every instrument playing all at the same time. Let's start off without the drums. We're going to shorten this by 8 bars. Slide it back. How does it sound, Jess? Hey, that's not bad. All right. This is one of the trickiest parts of arranging. You're going to decide when it stops and when it comes back. So I cut it down, paste it back. The only thing I think I want to go the whole time, actually, I don't want the bass to go the whole time either. I'm going to shorten it so that way the intro starts without it. Let's try this one more time. Hey, that's not bad. That's not bad. I think all it needs is something. This is the part where the hook will come back. So we've created an intro section, a verse 1, a chorus. Chorus goes for 8 bars, and then we go back to our next verse. All right, so now just to complete our song, let's see if we can sing some lyrics. I'm just gonna make something up, like early in the morning, I'll wake up to my darling, and we take a walk in our garden. Every single morning, I wake up with my darling, and we take a walk in our garden. Anywhere she goes, I'm following. Good place for a guitar solo or something. Hold on. All right, that's our song. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon.